Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic from your biology curriculum, fertilization. We'll be exploring the amazing journey of fertilization, which marks the beginning of new life. So, buckle up as we take a quick trip through the intricate process of fertilization. Alright, let's start by understanding what fertilization actually is. Fertilization is the process by which a sperm cell from a male fuses with an egg cell from a female to form a fertilized egg, or zygote. This zygote then develops into a new individual. The journey begins with the sperm. Sperm cells are produced in the male testes through a process called spermatogenesis. They are equipped with a whip-like tail called a flagellum, which helps them swim towards the egg. Only one lucky sperm out of millions will successfully fertilize the egg. On the female side, the process involves the release of an egg, or ovum, from the ovary. This process is known as ovulation and typically occurs around the midpoint of the menstrual cycle. Now, here's where the magic happens. During sexual intercourse, sperm are deposited in the female reproductive tract. From there, they make their way through the cervix and into the fallopian tubes, where fertilization takes place. If an egg is present in the fallopian tube, the sperm's journey continues. Once a sperm reaches the egg, it needs to penetrate the egg's protective layers. The enzyme released by the sperm helps dissolve these layers, allowing the sperm to enter the egg's cytoplasm. This event is called the sperm-egg fusion. With the fusion of the sperm and egg, the zygote is formed. This zygote contains the genetic material from both parents. It's the first step in the development of a new individual with a unique combination of traits. After fertilization, the zygote undergoes several divisions as it travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Once it reaches the uterus, it attaches itself to the uterine lining in a process called implantation. And there you have it, the captivating journey of fertilization. This process marks the very beginning of human life and sets the stage for the incredible development that follows. It's truly a remarkable sequence of events that reminds us of the wonders of life and biology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or want to learn about specific topics, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of biology.